So I've been involved in numerous breach investigations, and the majority of the time, hackers follow the same methods over and over again from client to client. Now, the first step for a hacker is to gain someone's password. And this can be done in a number of ways. But the most common are through a combination of brute force attacks, spoofing, phishing, malware, and password spraying. Now, out of that list, phishing might be the quickest and most effective method as it relies on human error. And rather than spending effort on cracking someone's password, what's easier than having the user provide the hackers the password themselves through that phishing email? Just one thing that you have to keep in mind is that anybody could be a victim of cybercrime. It's a matter of when they get hit and not if they get hit.